So for this, we have to calculate the total charge enclosed. So how we will go about this? Net flux is equal to closed integral E dot dA is equal to Q enclosed upon epsilon naught. Now electric field is only in this direction. So only flux through front and back surface will matter. Other fluxes will not matter. And this is the origin. And this length is L, na? And again this length is L. Something like this, na? So we have to, actually it is non-uniform. So first of all, let us calculate on the frontal surface the flux and then on the back surface. So on the front surface, the electric field will be K, batao bhai, under root of 2L x cap dot x cap into L square. This is on the front. And on the back, what will happen? Electric field and both will have different directions. Yes or no? And back surface is where? It is at x is equal to L. So it will be minus K under root L. No. X cap dot x cap and L square. I have taken care, na? Minus I have already taken. You don't want minus here? Then you should put minus x cap here. This is equal to Q enclosed over epsilon naught. Okay? So now you can quickly calculate what is Q enclosed is equal to epsilon naught times K L root 2, here L to the power 5 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2 minus epsilon naught K L to the power 5 by 2 is equal to Q enclosed. So which option is correct? Root 2 minus 1, option D. Understood? So even though it is very simple, but careful, you have to be very, very careful, okay?